Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Off the Pie Charts. I'm your host Tyler. You guys, Halloween is one of my favorite holidays. So I figured why not make some easy Halloween treats? We're gonna make these candy corn sugar cookies and these mummy Oreos. Let's get started. All right guys, everything you're gonna need is going to be in the description box below. All right guys, we're going to start by whisking together the flour, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Give that a good whisk, 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 whisk. And you can set that aside. In a stand mixer, you're going to cream together the room temperature butter and the sugar for about 4 minutes. Would help if you had the stand mixer plugged in. Once the butter and sugar is mixed, you want to add in the vanilla and the egg. And you want to mix that slowly until incorporated. Don't forget to scrape down the side. Now with the stand mixer on low, you want to slowly add the flour. Alright guys, doesn't that look so good? I've lined a cookie sheet with some parchment paper. Let's get the cookies on the pan. So I grab my cookie scoop here. Grab some of the dough and boop. Come on, there we go, ta-da! And just put them on the pan. All right, now we let these chill in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. All right, before the cookies go in the oven, you just want to make sure to press them down with your hand. I've also made sure to only put 6 cookies on here to make sure they bake evenly. Smush, smush, smush. We're gonna bake these cookies at 375 for 13 minutes, but I haven't forgot about the candy corn. That comes in soon. You want to pull these out at about the 6-minute mark to have the candy corn. All right, so halfway through at about 6 minutes, take the cookies out, but be careful, they're going to be really hot. All right, now it's time to put the candy corn in. So you just take about 3 candy corn and you just push them in. Boop. You want to try to go fast if you can, just to get them back in the oven. All right, let's go back in the oven for another 6 minutes. All right, guys, they just came out of the oven. They smell so good. We're gonna set these aside to cool while we start our next treat. All right, for our next DIY treat, I've melted down some candy melts. You start in 30-second increments on a 50% power level, stirring after every time until they melt. And basically, we're gonna dunk the Oreos in the chocolate. Let's get started. You wanna just make sure you cover the Oreo and then let it drip off as much as you can. It's kind of hard. You can push a fork in it or a popsicle stick or something. And some of these don't have to be perfect either because you're just going to make them into mummies. All right, well, we made a little bit of a mess here, but we're gonna let these set for a few minutes before we decorate. All right, the cookies are ready. We're gonna need some white royal icing. I have some in a piping bag here with a fine tip. I'll leave the recipe in the description below. You're also gonna need some decorating gel in black. You can also make some royal icing and dye it black if you want. Let's get decorating. All right, we're gonna do half mummies, half ghosts. For the mummies, you just wanna pipe on some white here, and it can be pretty crazy because this is their outfit. Then you want to come in with the black gel and just add a couple of dots for their eyes. You could also use the candy eyes too. I just didn't have any on me. And then for the ghosts, you just do any design you want, really. I had so much fun making these quick and easy treats. I hope you give them a shot too. If you liked the video, please make sure to hit that like button for me. Also, if you're new here, I hope you subscribe. I post new videos weekly. Until the next episode of Off the Pie Charts, I'm Tyler. I really want to try one of these cookies.